Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, but you know, swag. I have so many videos that I have to edit. But they're really long. Anyways, this video wasn't supposed to be a video. It was just gonna be recording my friend's reaction, and you'll see what he's reacting to. This might be a new series, I don't know. Might call it Minecraft at Midnight with Nathan Mingle Camp. Well, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share my channel if you want to. Can't force you to do anything, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Are you ready to feed them the best things ever to make them have many plentiful babies?
Oh boy.
Do you know how to make cookies?
Motherfucker, look at my hand.
Oh.
Look at my hand.
Put him down. I'm looking.
Look.
I'm looking.
More.
I'm looking.
How many chocolate chips are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
The answer is 12.
What? No, please.
It made it nauseous. What fuck did you just make me do?
No, please.
Did you just make me kill that pork?
Why'd you
what
kill
the
me?
Fuck? Why did it die?
Because parrots can't eat cookies.
I'm going to murder you.
You already did.
You promised me.
I didn't promise anything.
You promised carrot pork. You're a terrible fucking person.
I'm sorry. At first it was a joke. And then you were just like, oh really? And I was just like, he doesn't know.
I will find you.
I'm sorry. Am I forgiven?
Boom.
Boom what? You what?